So g'day people, how you going? This is Glenn, back with another shit video. And that is the topic of our video today, shit, and how to use it in a sentence. So, if you're not familiar with the word shit, it actually means poo, stuff that comes out of your bum from the food you eat. So you eat food, goes through your digestive system, your intestine, and it comes out as shit after you've digested what you needed. Generally, if you're not very active, you'll shit a lot more. If you're active, you'll shit a lot less because your body needs to absorb more energy. Anyway, to use this sentence structure for shit, we have, let me just read. I'm just going to read. I've actually got a list here. Okay, that's right shit. You know, when someone's correct, that's right shit. You smoke shit, either marijuana or cocaine. I don't know if you can smoke cocaine. You can smoke opium. Oh, good shit, man. And that's what you say. When you smoke shit and it's good shit. Okay, to get shit-faced. Oh, that means to get drunk. You're totally wasted. You just drink so much alcohol you cannot remember it. That is getting shit-faced. You can buy shit and you can sell shit. The shit in that sentence means, I can buy shit, I can sell shit. Well, maybe you can't actually sell this, Nurofen. Hey man, you want to buy some good shit? This is a fucking good shit, get you fucked up. So anyway, you can lose shit. Like, I can lose this. Oh, where's my Nurofen? I lost the shit. Where is it? So, that's how you can lose shit in a sentence. You can find shit. Oh, I found the Nurofen. But it fell out and it's shit on the floor. Okay, tell people to eat shit. So when you disagree with people, like someone goes, oh, you're never going to make it as a business person, just go, go eat shit, will you? So that's how you use that. You forget shit. So, come on, where did I put my book? Oh, where's my book? I can't remember. Where is the shit? So, when you forget where you put something, that's forget shit. You can also forget people's names because they're not important. Some people know their shit, so when they do a job, they actually know that they're no good at it. So they know they are shit. And some people are shitful brains. It just means you can try and teach them something over and over and over and over, but they just forget. So their brains are full of shit. They have shitful brains. Actually, when someone's brain is full of shit, that means that they talk crap all the time. Like Donald Trump. He's constantly lying and he just talks bullshit. So he's full of shit. There's bullshit. I think I said that. Bullshit just means talking nonsense. Horse shit. That's horse shit, mate. You know, you're pointing the horse on the ground. Oh, look at the horse down there. Oh, it's having a shit. See? That's your opinion. Your opinion is horse shit. That's basically it. Chicken shit means the same thing, except chicken shit's pretty small. You're in deep shit. You're in deep shit, mate. But if I ever catch you there again, you're in deep shit. That means you are in big trouble. So don't get caught by the police doing something wrong. You'll be in deep shit. Okay, the next one. The wrong shit. Oh, just say you're making something and you got the wrong size nails. That's the wrong shit, mate. You can't use that. Get the other one. Get the other shit, alright? So, that's the wrong shit. Don't use that. Get the other shit. Supposedly, you're supposed to know what it is. The right shit. Now you have got the right shit, which means now you've got the right nail. So, to put those in a sentence, you've got the wrong shit, mate. Put it down. Get the other shit. Yes, that is the right shit. You are bonza, dude. Not enough shit. That means, just say you're having a party and you don't have enough drinks. Alcoholic drinks, I mean. Then you say, fuck man, I don't have enough shit. Need to go to the pub and get some more. Yeah. Weird shit? That's me. I'm just weird. Actually, weird shit is, you see a car, pink car go past. You're watching, Just going past. Fuck, man, that car's weird shit. So they're just weird shit. Weird shit just means something that's really, really just weird. Very weird. You can also apply it to a person's behaviour and a person's talking. Like when someone goes, "Oh yeah, I love bondage." You go, "That's weird shit, man." Okay, scary shit. Scary shit. Oh, you're on a boat. It capsized. Whew, everyone was thrown out and you're in the water. That is scary shit, man. Up shit creek. Well, the boat capsized. You're in the water. Who's going to rescue you? It's scary shit, but you're also up shit creek because it's very dangerous. But it doesn't have to be dangerous to be up shit creek. What happens if electricity went out and you were doing something on the computer, something very important for work? Oh, then you're up shit creek, aren't you? Because you can't do it. Okay, what else? Up shit creek without paddles pretty much the same as up shit creek. Sometimes everything you touch turns to shit. That is very good, very good. Just means everything you touch is crap. You're not good at it. So don't worry about doing anything because you're not good at anything. So everything you touch turns to shit. Okay. Anything else? No. Don't give a shit. So when you don't give a shit, that means you just don't give a shit about anyone's opinion, like I do. I'll make these videos. I'll put them out there. I don't really give a shit about anyone's opinions. They're not really hurting anyone. As long as your opinion doesn't directly hurt people, which most people's opinion don't, I don't give a shit about it. And neither should you, because worrying about other people's opinions is really, really bad for you and society. Okay, I hope you have a shit-free week. We don't really use that. But you can say, I hope you have a shit week. Means, I hope you have a really bad week. It's really bad, and I only use that for people I don't like. And considering you're watching my video, I'm not too sure if I like you. Actually, I don't think about you, so that's alright. You don't think about me. Don't worry about thinking about me. Unless you want to have a look. Then don't. Okay. But remember, shit happens. So, when shit happens, it means it is beyond your control. Oh, your car broke down. Fuck, you're up shit creek. Guess what? Shit happens.